Thank you. Namaste, Cassius Khan here, and I'm at the beautiful Anvil Center as an artist resident. And in the last video, I discussed just in layman's terms about the notes of the tabla and some of the rhythm cycles and what we will be focusing on. So Teentaal is what I've decided to focus on. It's 4, 4, 4, 4 divided into those groupings with 3 talis and 1 kali. So the first 4 are tali, second 4 are tali, the third 4 is kali, which means no bass. The last 4 is tali again. So in a tabla solo recital, we play in the very beginning, it's known as a Peshkara. A Peshkara is, some musicians like to call it, especially in a musical gathering, they call it izan or ijazat. Izan means to ask for the permission of not just the audience, but from the goddess of music as well, that I perform, and this is what I will be presenting in the very beginning. It is a respectful term, izan or ijazat, from the audience. Also, Peshkara is a slow movement which has a theme of dha, adha, tun, na at the end of the phrases, and then it gives the tabla player elaborate scope to improvise. So the Peshkara that I will be playing for you will be in this grouping, the dha, kata dhati, dha, dha, dhati version. And then you will see how it unfolds. Dha kata dhati, dha dha dhati, dha kata dhati, dha dha tunna, the first 4. Then tite ghera ge rage dhinna, dhati, dha kata dhati, dha dha tunna is the second 4. Then tun kratuna, tite tuna, tunna tunna take tite tunna take take is the third 4, which is the kali. Last 4, tite ghera ge rage dhinna, ghera ge rage dhinna, ghera ge rage dhinna, dha. So first I'll elaborate, and then I will improvise on top of that. So you will see that in every layer, I will add more and more, and just little facets here and there. But you can see that the theme, dha dha du na, dhinna ge dhinna, dha di, dha dha du na. So you'll see that dhati, dha kata dhati te, dha dha tu na, kata dhati, tite ghera ge. Ghera ge is another note that you will see. Tite ghera ge, ta ge dhina, ghera ge. So the ghera ge is a very specialty note in this particular Peshkara. My Guruji, or my teacher, Rukhsar Ali, is the one who gave me this composition when I was quite young. And I've also learned a different number of Peshkaras from different musical masters as well. I decided to focus on this because it's quite beautiful. And I have a Lehra on my iPhone, which I endorsed. It's called Lehra Studio. My dear friend Aman Kalyan in Australia has designed this app for all tabla players to enjoy. So I'm one of the endorsers, and I'm going to be using this app. So thank you, Aman, for making this beautiful app for all of us. So I will show you how it works and what the how it goes. I will be doing this from 46 beats a minute, so you can see. And I just did the wrong thing here, but that's okay. No. Here we go. So the instruments on this is sitar. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and an example of a Peshkara. So first I played the main phrase, dha katadhati, dha dha dhati, dha katadhati, dha dha tinna, titi gheda gedha gedhinna, dhati, dha katadhati, dha dha tuna, tun kartuna. Tete tuna tuna take tete tuna take take tete gheda gedha gedhinna, gheda gedha gedhinna, gheda gedha gedhinna. Then I started adding more layers, more phrases. Dha kada dha tete dha dha tete dha ti dha dha ti dha dha tinna. I could have done that too. Dha kada tete dha ti dha tete dha tete dha dha tinna. So we can add different phrases, staying with the same theme. Dha tete dha dha tete dha ti dha kata dha gheda gedha. So then we just keep on elaborating the phrases. So this is what a Peshkara is, a very short explanation. I could talk the entire day about Peshkara and how amazing it is. But of course, we only have limited time. But we will go on to the next video soon. And I'll see you guys again. Thank you so much. Namaste.